Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. So this will be a very quick one. You want to learn a great song in only 2 minutes, then let's go for David. He's crashing with Kali. So let's go into this beautiful song. Only 3 chords. So we're going to start with the B minor 7. This is a bar chord, so you place your index finger here on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom up like this, then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Next chord is the E7. Okay, so it goes open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be A. And it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. It's only 3 chords in this strumming. We'll keep it simple here on Going Guitar. Now, how do you strum this? If you go back to the first chord, the B minor 7, you have a strumming pattern of 6 straight downs. So I try to emphasize the 4th down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you're gonna play a bit on the bass mid area with all the other downs, but the 4th down, I really go down and get the higher notes of it. So bass, 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 top, bass, bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so you're gonna play 1 string round of B minor, 1 on E7, and 2 on the A, and that goes through the entire song. Let's do a round together. Alright guys, so actual 2 rounds because it's that easy to just play this. Hope you enjoyed it. David and Kali with the song called Crashing. I'm signing out.